Today we are at 9745 Touchton Road, Unit 2807, in the Il Villaggio condo community. This is located off of Touchton Road, near Gate Parkway and Southside. As you enter the home, you have these gorgeous wood floors. You have the large living space here. To the right, you have a coat closet and then the guest bath. Then here's more angles of the living space that you enter. The staircase. And then it has the dining room and then also cuts through to your family room and eating kitchen area. And then as you come in this room, you have the tile. And I'll do an angle from this end so that you can see the kitchen access. So it's a real open layout. Here is the eat-in breakfast area, and it has a view of the lake, which you'll also be able to see from the second floor balcony from the master. Here's the kitchen. Side-by-side fridge with ice and water in the door, built-in microwave, flat top stove and oven, and then there's the dishwasher, all stainless steel. And then we're back to the dining room. There's also a one-car garage that comes with this home, and we'll go see the bedrooms, which are all on the second floor. And then with this location, you're minutes from the St. John's Town Center and also have quick access to 9A, JTB, 95, Southside Boulevard. Here's the first of the guest bedrooms. And I'll give you an idea of the closet space. There's that. And then this is the landing as you come up the stairs. Here is where the washer and dryer room is located. And there's extra shelving up above. Then this is the guest bath. Then this is the second guest bedroom, and this one is the larger of the two. I'll do another angle from here as well. And then here's the master, and that's the balcony that overlooks the lake like I mentioned. And this room's very large as well. And then the view of the lake from the balcony. And then here's the master bath. And we have a humongous walk-in closet. And then you have the separate stand-up shower. And then the extended vanity top with double sinks. So great for storage space. Again, we're at 9745 Touchton Road, Unit 2807 in Il Villaggio. For additional information, you can contact our office at 904-520-4283, or you can visit our website at www.jacksonvillepropertymanagementpros.com.